Hello everyone and welcome to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial we're going to make a little flower which can be made in only 3 minutes. It means you can make a lot of them. This tutorial is for absolute beginners, but if you are not an absolute beginner you can use the pattern on the video that will be here. And if you like easy and fast crochet projects, make sure to subscribe my channel because you can find a lot of them here. Now let's see the materials. First of all, we need yarn. I want to use 2 colors, but you can make it with 1 color too. The thickness of the yarn that I'm using is about 2 millimeters. You need a 3 millimeter crochet hook and scissors. Let's start crocheting. I want to start with the first color and make the center. I want to use yellow, and instead of making the magic ring, I'm going to make one slip knot. So this is how I make one slip knot. Use your index finger, make an X shape here, and just like that, make a knot. Now you have a loop here, the short tail, the long tail, and a knot. Now I want to insert my hook inside of this loop, hold the knot, and pull the long tail, which is the working tail. Your hook needs to move inside of this loop. Now I want to tell you how to hold the hook and the yarn. To hold the hook, you can hold it like a pencil or like a knife. I want to hold the knot and the short tail with my thumb and middle finger. And to hold the working tail, I want to use this method. Like that. Or you can just hold it with your index finger, like this. Now I want to tell you how to chain. To chain, first you need to learn how to yarn over. To yarn over, I'm going to take my hook to down, then behind of the working tail, twist your hook, grab the yarn. Now I want to pull it through the loop, like this. This is one chain. You see, it looks like a V. I'm going to make another chain. Do you see here? It says chain 2. So we need 2 chains. Again, yarn over, grab the yarn, and pull it through this loop. Now I have 2 chains. Now I want to tell you how to single crochet. I'm going to make 5 single crochets inside of the very first chain that I made. You see this one, which is actually the second chain from the hook, right? This is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. First of all, you need to insert your hook inside of this chain. One loop of the chain is on my hook. Now yarn over, pull it through the chain, make 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. We call that one single crochet. See, from the top it looks like a V2. So I want to make 5 single crochets inside of this loop. Again, insert it, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I have 2 single crochets, again, inside of the same place. 3, 4, and I want to make the last one on the other side of the short tail. So you little guy need to be here. Insert your hook and make the last single crochet. Okay, now I want to show you how to change the color. This V shape is the first single crochet that we made. Just insert your hook under the V shape. You see right there? Yeah. The V shape is on my hook now. Now I want to grab the second color. Grab it and pull it through the V shape. Now that we have 2 loops on our hook, I'm going to pull this loop through this one. We call that slip stitch. So we change the color while making the slip stitch. Now I want to keep crocheting with the white color, and I want to cut the yellow yarn like that. Now pull this yellow yarn here, pull it to make it tight like this. Now let's make the petals. Down here you can see that it says we need to repeat a pattern 5 times. So 1 time for each of the single crochets. This was the first single crochet, and we made the slip stitch inside of it, and we changed the color. Now after the slip stitch we need to chain 1. After 1 chain we need to make a double crochet inside of the same stitch. Do you see that here? I want to tell you how to make a double crochet. So to make the double crochet, first you need to yarn over, hold it on your hook. Now insert your hook under the V shape of the same stitch, which was the first single crochet that we made. Now yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We call this one double crochet. We need 2 double crochets. So again, yarn over, inside of the same place, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and again yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Just like the pattern, after 2 double crochets, you need to chain 1, and again inside of the same stitch, do you see this little loop here? Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, make 2 loops, pull the first one through the second one, and pull it to make it tight. This part is really important, don't forget to pull it. Now again, I want to make the second one. So first, 1 slip stitch under the V shape. Right? The slip stitch, make it tight again. Now chain 1. Now make 1 double crochet inside of the same stitch. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, another double crochet. We needed 2 double crochets. So pull through 2 and pull through 2. After 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and then inside of the same stitch, right there, 1 slip stitch, and make it tight. Just like that, you need to do it 5 times, so I need to do it 3 more times, and then I'm gonna be here. So after repeating this pattern 5 times, let's just pull this yellow tail like that. Now you need to insert your hook inside of here. It doesn't have a special place, just insert it wherever you can, and 1 slip stitch. We need a little tail here. Now cut the white yarn. Okay, pull it to make it tight. Now I want to use my hook. Insert it from the back, right there. Grab the white yarn and pull it through. Now you must have 4 yarn tails behind of the flower. First, tie knot 2 times with these 2. 1, 2, and then with these 2. 1 and 2. Okay, now we can cut the tails. So my flower is ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. I'm gonna meet you in the next video, guys.